Hello, I hope everyone's doing well today. My name is Philip Westry. I am one of the attorneys at Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service, and today I wanted to talk to you all a little bit about when to reach out to an attorney. And this message is really for those folks who are oftentimes maybe find themselves giving semi-legal advice, or who find themselves often engaging with attorneys. And so I'm thinking of folks who are social workers, housing counselors, other human service providers. But then I'm also thinking about community advocates, people who are active in their church group, folks who are active in their community association, folks who are oftentimes, out advocating for important issues, often find themselves being asked legal questions, and sometimes they have the right answer and can point people in the right direction, and sometimes they're making guesses and they're Googling things. And often you want to make sure that if you are passing on legal advice that that it's really good advice, and the best way to do that is to have someone engage with an attorney. So here are a couple of warning signs when you might need a lawyer. And if you're a person who helps out, if you're being asked to help someone file or respond to a case that's currently in court, they probably need to talk to a lawyer. If you find yourself doing legal research to help someone, it might be best to have an attorney do that. Then also, if you find yourself calling your attorney friends, saying, "Hey, I got a quick question," it is possible that the person that you're trying to help really needs to have their own legal advocate. So here's one place that you could look to find a bunch of legal advocates who provide free legal services. So my thought is that the best place to go is the Maryland Legal Services Corporation's website. That's mlsc.org, and then go under grants, and there's a section that says explore current grantees. You'll see about 30 different organizations who provide free legal assistance, and that assistance is based sometimes on the geography of the potential client, or it's based on the service type. So it may be a housing specific organization, or an organization that mostly deals with LGBTQ issues, so on and so forth. So that's a really good resource. And then once you find that organization that tends to help the type of people or the type of folks that you find yourself working with, establish a relationship and see if you can create a partnership where that group can come out and talk to your group, or maybe you have an opportunity to establish a deeper bond and maybe form some sort of memorandum of understanding. Again, really good opportunities, because those groups are out there wanting to reach out and wanting to help people. So that's one great place. Also, if you find yourself helping someone who maybe needs a private attorney, every jurisdiction in Maryland has a bar association. So I'm in Baltimore, so there's the Baltimore Bar Association. There's also the Howard County Bar Association and the Anne Arundel County Bar Association, and so on and so forth. They all have referral services, so the best thing to do is Google those bar associations, find the referral service, and pass that information on if the person's going to need a private attorney. That's pretty much it. So again, if you're somebody who's active in the community and you're constantly being asked for to provide folks with legal assistance, those are a couple of ways you can do it, and make sure that person has really high quality legal advice or legal assistance or full representation. Thanks. I hope that video wasn't too long. Everybody have a good rest of your day, and let me drop, our information really quickly. We are at Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service. That's mvlslaw.org. You can go and check out our services, and you can see what our criteria for obtaining services are, and we're always here to help. So again, that's mvlslaw.org. And again, I'm Philip Westry. Everybody take care.